Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to Jobs World channel. So today there is a recruitment notice from Delhi Development Authority. So these are the important dates. Opening date is 1st April 2020, last date is 30 April 2020 and last date for application fee submit is 4th May 2020. So these are different posts in the vacancies. First post is Deputy Director System, total vacancies are 2. Second post is Deputy Director Planning, total posts are 5. Third post are Assistant Director, the total post is 5. Assistant Director System, the total post is 2. Assistant Account Officer, total vacancies are 11. Planning Assistant, total vacancy is 1. Specialist Officer of Horticulture, total vacancies are 48. Architectural Assistant, total vacancies are 8. Surveyor, the vacancy are 11. Stenographer D, grade D, it is total vacancies 100. Patwari, the vacancy are 44 and the highest number of vacancy for junior assistant, that is 292. For Madi, the vacancy are 100. Senior law officer, total 1 number of vacancy. Legal assistant is vacancy 7. So here they have mentioned the age limit for different category. For example, Deputy Director System maximum age limit is 40 and here is the qualification: PhD in Computer Science and IT or MTech ME in Computer Science with 60% mark with 3 years of experience, in BTech BE in Computer Science with 60% mark and 5 years of experience. So according to your qualification, you can apply the post, and these are the age limit. So for the post of junior secretary assistant, post code 12, the candidates with minimum 75% mark in the class 12 with the relaxation of 5% of the candidates who have qualified in the 12th from CBSE and ICSE board. So there is a relaxation of 5% mark who have passed from CBSE and ICSE 12th board. For STC candidate, it is 65% mark, and for OBC it is 70% mark in 12th exam. So they will convert the percentage by just multiplying 9.5 with your CGPA. So for the post of Madi, the candidate is required to indicate the experience in completed years and months as Mali or gardener. So next we will go to so if you want to apply more than one post, suppose you are applying for the Mali post and as well as you are applying for the stenographer post, so you have to apply twice. You cannot apply in single form and you have to pay also twice time. So here they have mentioned that if a candidate wants to apply more than one post, he or she needs to apply separately for all posts. In case of clash of in the date of exam of any 2 or more posts, candidates need to decide the test they would like to take. So if the date collapse, suppose you are applying for Mali post and stenographer post, so if the date collapse, then you have to decide. DDA won't take the responsibility to change the exam date. So this is the last date, as I told you before, 30 April 2020. And here they mention that for the e-application status, what you have applied, they will show this on their official website. You can go and check it there 2 weeks before the exam date, and you will download the admit card just 3 days before the exam date. So this is the email ID. You can send your doubt to this email ID or just call the toll-free number. So these are the prohibited items, and you are allowed just to take the admit card and the identity proof inside the exam center, and no pen pencil will be allowed inside the exam center. They will provided you the pencil and pen paper and rough work to do the exam. So there is a special dress code, as you can see I just highlighted in blue pens. So this is the dress code for male and female candidates. You have to follow the dress code, otherwise you are not allowed to the examination center. So now comes to the age relaxation. For STSC candidate it is 5 years of age relaxation. For OBC it is 3 years. Person with disabilities it is 10 years. And STSC person with disabilities is 15 years. OBC with disability it is 13 years. So application fee it is 500 for all post. It is for the general candidate. For women and the person who belongs to ST, SC, PWD and ex-servicemen, they are not allowed. They won't pay the application fee. Some mode of the application, as you know, it is totally digital, online payment. So examination center, as they mentioned, that it will be held in Delhi and NCR only, not outside the Delhi. So selection procedure. So according to your post, the mode of recruitment and details of the examination are given. So for example, deputy director system, the mode is single stage online examination followed by interview of the shortlist candidate. First you have to give the online examination. After that, if you are clearing the cutoff, then you will go for the interview. So there is total 120 marks question will be there for 2 hours, and this is totally objective type. Here they will give you your respective discipline along with reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general awareness and English language. After that you have to go for the interview. So same for all, you can check as per your post of preference. So for Patwari it is 2 stage. For junior secretary assistant it is 3 stage. First stage is online examination, second stage is just qualifying in nature, and third stage is typing test. Then we will go to the penalty. So total 120 question, 120 marks. So each question carrying 1 mark. So there will be penalty of 0.33 marks for the wrong answer. So here you can see for general it is 40%, for ST, SC it is 30%, and for OBC it is 35% to qualify the exam. But as you know, the cutoff will go much higher than this. So period of probation after you selected for the job, it is 2 years of period of probation. So these are the verification documents after shortlisted for the interview. So how to apply? Just go to the dda.org.in site. Then in that, go to the job page. In that, direct recruitment 2020. Just click that, and you will see where to apply. So this is the details of the photograph and signature. So the photograph should be 4.5 into 3.5 cm, and signature will be blue or black ink. So at last we will see the syllabus. This is the syllabus of different postcode. This is the syllabus of Deputy Director System postcode 1. As you can see, this is total syllabus given for different postcode. You can check it as per your preferenced post. So this is the details of Delhi Development Authority recruitment. Thanks for your time. Stay safe at home. Be happy, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.